Good afternoon, teacher and classmate. I am good into Prudence Center. English project number 3. Table of counter. 1. Introducing my class, my and me. 2. Tidings about art in place, Neiva, Huila, Colombia. 3. A story to it told. My personal information. My name is Deyanira Hermosa Quintero. I am single. I do not have a partner. I had only one child. His name is Daniel Felipe. I am from Colombia. I with bonds is Anton of Huila, Campo Alegre. Coimit, I live in Neiva with my son. With I live at Beach House in Santa Ynez, neighborhood in the north of city. My address is Street 39 1DW 30. Right now, I'm not working. I am retired policewoman. My cell phone number is 31420374647. My email address is deyanira.hermosa@uniminuto.edu.co. Thank you. Bye bye.